Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss Chapter 11, World of Science, from your GK textbook. Here, some facts regarding science is given here. So, let us go through them. Here is a peek into the world of science. First question. Questions and answers are given here itself, so you just go through them. First question. Why do stars twinkle? So I hope all of you have seen stars twinkling at the sky. So what's the reason for that? Answer: the light from stars passes through different layers of the atmosphere with varied densities. Therefore, the light rays deviate from their original path. Besides, these layers keep moving, giving a twinkling effect to stars. So next question, why should we breathe through nose and not through the mouth? Answer, the nose has some small hair inside it. Therefore, when we breathe through the nose, it traps the dust particles present in the air and stops them from entering our body. This protects us from the harmful effect of those particles. Our mouth does not have any hair and therefore dust particles can easily enter the body through it. So next one, why is it difficult to walk on a slippery road? So according to Newton's third law of motion, a person walking on the road must exert a backward action force against the forward action force exerted on him or her. It is easy in the case of a normal road that offers friction needed for this. But a slippery road has very little friction compared to a normal one. That is why it is difficult to walk on a slippery road. So friction is the main thing. If there is friction, there is no slip. You can walk easily. Otherwise, the road becomes slippery. Next one. Why are the mountains cooler than the plains? Answer. Air on the mountains is less dense, so it absorbs less heat. Therefore, the mountains are cooler than the plains. Next question. Why do we get an image in a mirror but not on a wall? Answer. A mirror reflects light in a regular pattern because of its smooth surface, while a wall reflects rays irregularly because of its ruggedness. Next question. Why are the pipes of a solar heater painted black? Answer. Black bodies are good absorbers of heat. The pipes of a solar heater are painted black so that it can absorb maximum heat from the solar radiation. Next one. Why is lightning seen before one hears the sound of thunder? Answer. Since light travels faster than sound, we see lightning before we hear the sound of thunder. So the reason is light travels faster than sound. That's why we see lightning before we hear the sound of thunder. Next question. Why do we provide fuse wires in our electrical installations? Answer. The fuse wire is a high resistance wire with a low melting point. Therefore, when a strong current passes, it melts the fuse wire and cuts off the circuit, saving the installation. Next one. Why does a bicycle pump get hot while pumping? Answer. While pumping the air, the bicycle pump gets hot because the air inside the pump gets compressed, thereby increasing the temperature. Next question, how does sodium bicarbonate extinguish fire? On heating, sodium bicarbonate decomposes and gives out carbon dioxide which smooths the fire. Next one, what is the function of a radiator in a motor car? Answer, the engine of a motor car gets heated when it works. The water stored in the radiator circulates around the engine and keeps it cool. Next one, why does an electric bulb break with a bang? Answer, there is a partial vacuum in an electric bulb. So, when the bulb breaks, the air rushes into fill that vacuum, causing a bang. Next one, why is a room heater placed near the floor and air conditioner near the ceiling? Answer, when air is heated by the room heater, it goes up and the cooler air from the higher level comes down and gets heated to go up again. Thus, convection current start in the air and the room gets warmer faster. Cold air is heavier than warm air. In the case of an air conditioner, the cold air from it being heavier moves downwards, whereas the hot air at the lower level moves upwards and gets cooled and comes down once again. Thus, the convection currents start in the air and room gets cooler fast. And the last question, how do fish swimming in deep water breathe? Answer, fish absorb the oxygen dissolved in water through their gills. So all of you learn all these questions and answers. Today's activity is, you should do the test given in the description box of the YouTube link. Click on to the description box. There you can see the link of test. Click on to the link and you attend the test.